Icotek's KVT series is a circular split frame for quick and easy installation and sealing of cables. And free samples are available right now for you to try for yourself. KVT cable glands are flexible, intuitive, and easily adaptable to connectors or complete cable harnesses. The KVT series covers a variety of split frames, grommets, lock nuts, and sealing rings to quickly route cables from M20 to M63 sizes. For a limited time, Galco and Icotek are pleased to demonstrate one of the world's best cable management solutions with a free sample. Split cable transits and cable entry plates are also available. Simply visit galco.com and fill out the form to get yours today.